Do you know that you can now create long videos for free and without any limits using Meta AI? In this video, I am going to show you a simple but powerful method that allows you to generate long videos of any duration and in any style completely for free. Before we start, first watch this example video I created so you can clearly see what this tool can do. Alright, so now let's begin the process. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a story script for you in any style you like. You can choose whatever tone or theme you prefer. For example, I asked ChatGPT to write a short, cool story script of around 200 words in Pixar style, with a single consistent character. Now we have our complete story. Next, I will ask ChatGPT again to give me the prompt for each scene. Once the scene prompts are ready, I will ask ChatGPT one more time to give me the video prompt for each scene. Now that we have both the image prompts and the video prompts prepared for every scene, let's begin the process. Simply go to Google and search for Meta AI. Click on the very first link that appears, and you will land on the homepage of the tool. Complete the final sign-up process, and after that, your dashboard will be ready. Now, let's start our journey. So, simply click on the plus icon, and from here, select the Create option. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt, and paste it here. After that, choose the aspect ratio that fits your scene perfectly, and then hit Generate. Meta AI will immediately start creating 4 amazing images for you. Choose your favorite image and click on it. Here, you also have the option to restyle your image if you want. If you want to convert your image directly into a video, simply click on the Animate option, and your image will instantly turn into a video. But if you prefer to customize your video and make it exactly how you want, click on the Custom Animate option. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for the first scene, and paste it here. You can also add music to your video if you like. It's completely up to you. Once everything is ready, hit the Animate button and Meta AI will start generating our video. After a few moments, our video will be ready. Now you can see how perfectly our first scene has turned out. Everything looks amazing. Alright, now let's move on to the second scene. To maintain continuity and keep the flow of our video, we need to use the last frame of the first scene. Since Meta AI doesn't have an option to copy the last frame directly, we first download our video. Go to your downloads, play the first scene until the very end, and take a screenshot of the last frame. Now return to Meta AI, switch the option from image to video, and upload the screenshot you just took. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for the second scene and paste it here and hit the Animate option, and our second scene will start generating. After a few moments, the second scene will be ready. Just look at this. The flow and continuity are perfect, and the scene has turned out amazing. Now, repeat the same process for the next scene. Download your second scene, play it until the very end, and take a screenshot of the last frame. Then, go back to Meta AI and upload this last frame. Next, return to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for the third scene, paste it into Meta AI, and hit the Animate option. Meta AI will start generating the third scene of your video. And here we go, our third scene is also ready with the same flow. I repeated the same steps and generated all the scenes needed for my video. You can create as many scenes as you want, depending on how long or detailed you want your video to be. The next step is editing. You can use any editing software you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. I uploaded all my video clips into CapCut and arranged them in order, scene by scene, to match the flow of the story. To make the video more lively and engaging, you can also add background music. I have completed all the necessary steps, and here is the final result. As you can see, the process is very simple, and you can generate as many videos as you want. It's completely free and unlimited. You can create any type of long video exactly how you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel to support us, and share your ideas in the comments. We will continue bringing more amazing AI tutorials for you. Until then, take care, and thanks for watching.